Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I want to tell you a little bit about Lectin Guard, my experience, and how it's pretty awesome. This is by Dr. Kara. It's doctor formulated, and you've probably seen him talk about it. Smart guy, but I'm going to put this in just everyday terms. Dr. Kara noticed that people were getting belly bloat and they were having all these issues because lectin, which is a type of protein, is found in all your foods and it's hard for the body to digest. We wound up having those big stomachs, and even though there wasn't that much fat on our torso, it was starting to stick out, right? It was also causing heartburn, indigestion, other issues. Well, guess what? He came up with something that would kind of aid our digestion and processing of lectin, okay? So if you've noticed yourself being lethargic, sleeping too much, being too lazy, if you notice yourself kind of getting a bloated, gassy belly, having IBS or just issues overall, you may benefit from some Lectin Guard. This is an intestinal health supplement, and when you think about it, we take supplements for our eyesight, for our skin, for our hair, for our muscles for sure. Why can't we take one for our digestive tract? They say that our digestive tract is the key to good health. That's the key to your immune system. Everything starts off with the food you eat and processing through you. Why not use things like slippery elm and all the special ingredients that's in this to help with your digestive tract? Okay, now there's orca fruit powder, there's papaya fruit powder, there's kiwi powder, there's all sorts of stuff in this great product. And yeah, look at this kiwi fruit powder right there. This is the stuff that's really good for you. It's vegan, GMP certified facility, formulated in the USA and formulated by a doctor, available with Amazon Prime. That means all the benefits that come with Amazon, and you're going to take 4 of these every day for 30 days, and you're going to notice a real difference in your overall digestion. So anyway, folks, if you're looking for a great lectin supplement, something to help process that lectin, this is called Lectin Guard. If you're noticing issues where your stomach is just sticking out too much, you're not digesting food the way you should, whether you're getting heartburn or Lord knows what, guess what, folks? Kara MD is really doing a great job. Yeah, this is good stuff. It's got papaya fruit powder, it's got kiwi fruit powder, and that slippery elm that kind of coats the intestinal tract to really help you process and get some of those toxins out of you. All right, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Only talk products that I own, I love, tested, I know you're gonna love, own it, love it, test it, know you're gonna love it. All right, thanks again for watching. Adios, amigos.